Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you guys on my channel. And in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a virtual dollar card on GiGPay, right? So if you're looking for ways to create a virtual dollar card, stick and watch this video to the very end. And because I'm going to be highlighting the steps in which you can do that successfully, all right? So what are the things you need to create a virtual dollar card? You need to have $3 on your wallet, all right? So once you have $3 on your wallet, you have opportunity to create your virtual dollar card. And for those who don't know what a virtual dollar card does, a virtual dollar card is a card that you can use to make international payments right here in Africa, right? So it gives you opportunity to make purchases on different platforms that you cannot use your debit card to do that, all right? So let me show you how you can fund your card. So you're going to click on more. So when you click on more, you're going to click on add funds because we want to add funds to our wallet. So on this point here, you're going to input the amount you want to fund. Because in your own case, it's good for you to fund like $4. Although we need $3 to make the purchase for the card, all right? So let's click $4 and you're going to input your currency because we are converting from dollars to naira. So we want to pay in naira, so we're going to click on naira, all right? So you can see the equivalent of how much you are paying is 6,240, all right? So you're going to click on done. So you click on next. So you are going to click on bank transfer, all right? So you're going to click on proceed. So on this point, you're going to be given an account number on your name, all right? So you can see this is my account name, this is my account number, and this is the bank you are paying to, right? So you are just to copy the account number. You click on copy. So when you click on copy, you go over to your bank that you want to transfer and make the transfer. So once you have made the transfer, you're going to click on I have sent funds. So you're going to wait for an email on your account to show that the account has reflected on your GPay wallet. So just follow the steps. Once you come over here, you're going to copy this account number and send money to the account that is given to you, right? So most times it usually come with Credi Money Microfinance Bank Limited. That's what you're going to see. But in your own case, if that is not what is given to you, just pay according to the same bank name that was given to you and the same account number, all right? So once you do that successfully, you click on I have sent funds and you now click on back. You click on back. So it's going to display over here on your dollar wallet, all right? So you're going to see it here on your dollar wallet. So it should show that it has reflected. So how do you now create your virtual card, all right? So you're going to click on card. So once you click on card, this is my own card here. So because we want to create a new card, you're going to click on create new. So you click on create new, you click on virtual USD card. So on this part, you can see you can use it to purchase Apple Music subscription, Spotify subscription, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, and Google, and so on. You can use it to purchase so many things. I've even used my dollar card to purchase a product on my eBay account, all right? There's how you can link your PayPal account with your GPay. So if you need a video about that, kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll be willing to do a video about that. So you're going to click on agree to the terms and condition, and you're going to click on next, all right? So under this part, you are going to click a name, which is your name. So what is your full name that you used to register on your GiGPay platform? So let's say your name is John DOE. So this is how it's going to display on your card. So virtually the name you use to create your GPay app, all right? So after you're done with that, you're going to click on done and you click on next. So once you click on next, on this part, you can see amount to fund. All right, so we want to fund this card so that we can have access to create a new card. All right, so let's just put $3. You can see now I have insufficient fund. All right, so because I don't have $3 on my original dollar card wallet, so once you have that amount, you are going to click on next. So once you click on next, it will create a card in your own name, giving you your number, your CVV, the date of expiration, and so on. So the important information that is needed for this virtual dollar card, you are going to have that. All right, so once it's successful, you are going to go back. So you can see this is how my own card looks like. You can see my number. If I click on card details, it's going to bring out the necessary information that this card is required. All right, so because once you are paying online, those numbers will be needed for you to verify the information to show that you want to purchase a product online. All right, so that is how you can successfully create a virtual dollar card on GiGPay. So if you have any question regarding how to create your virtual dollar card on GiGPay, kindly go over to the comment section, type in your questions. I'll be there to answer each and every one of them. All right, so if you like this video, kindly smash the like button, share this video so that most people can get opportunity on what we are doing on our channel. And if you're here to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button, turn off the notification bell so that once I drop videos like this, you are not going to miss out on such opportunity. Thank you guys for staying true to the very end. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.